Patrick Ed here, Matter Guitar Products. How you doing? This is a video demo for the Terminator Mid-Boost and the Terminator Mid-Boost 3 systems. What we've done is we combined our Terminator system with the Fender Mid-Boost circuit that they came out, I guess, within the early 80s. Eric Clapton, Buddy Guy, I guess, uses it. The main purpose of it was to make the single coils sound thicker, fuller, more like a humbucker sound. We've had a couple customers through the years say, hey, can you combine that with your Terminator system? So we've done that, and we decided, well, you know what, let's look into that and let's see if we can design our own circuit around that by using the Fender Mid-Boost and to combine it with our Terminator system and maybe do some tweaks, see what we can do to make it better, more user-friendly. As you can see, I have it hanging out here, hanging out of the guitar, and basically you have to route out a part here. The Fender Clapton series, they have a route out here where they have this board sitting, and then the battery they have, I'm not sure where they put the battery, but I would probably put it in the back with the battery pack circuit, as well as I know some manufacturers actually have back plates now that have a USB port that you can charge up for 9 volts. But anyways, you have to make room for it. Now what we've done is we've taken this circuit and added it with our 5S system as well as our 3 system. 2 changes we have made. One is we got rid of the TBX circuit. We weren't a big fan of it, so what we put in here is our Terminator Killer tone pot. We have it with a 47 microfarad cap. You can also go with a 22 microfarad cap and do it at 500K. Right now we have it set up at 250K. And the mid-boost circuit, we also used our proprietary CTS dual value pot, as well as, on this one has a 3 system. We got the push-pull pot, so we're using our CTS pot, push-pull pot, and we have it wired for the Clapton circuit as the mid-boost control. So what we're basically using out of the Fender kit is the board and the 50K CTS pot that comes with it, which we really like. It's actually a very nice vintage roll-off, very similar to our own pots. And but basically that's pretty much it. I think you're going to really like it. So let's start. Just kind of give you some tones here. So just kind of a little overview on how it works. This volume. For those of you that aren't familiar with the mid-boost circuit, this is the volume. This one here is kind of like the tone control. It's more active with this system. So the TBS, what it does, it has a center indent, and you go one way, it has a resistor that brightens it up. You go the other way, it has a capacitor that really darkens it up. We messed with it. We didn't care much for it. I think with our killer tone pot in here, it's a much smoother roll on and roll out. Personally, I find right now with these pickups, I find the sweet spot to be around 5, 6. That's about 6.5, 7. I'm on the bridge pickup, by the way. These pickups are actually Texas Specials, Fender pickups. They're Alnico 5. They're a little brighter, just so you know. The last knob down here, this is your mid-boost circuit. Right now, it's all the way off. I'll roll it up so you can see how it really kind of, not only does it bring the mids up, but it also brings the volume up. It's really nice. It really thickens it up. So let me go through the 5 settings, just kind of playing around with it a little bit. So this is the bridge pickup. The bridge in the middle. I have the tone pot still sit around the 5.5 mark. Middle pickup. The middle and neck. course the neck. So now let's roll in the mid-boost a little bit. So I got the mid-boost at about 8. Now I notice when you get up to get it all the way up, it really drives the amp. Now the Fender Princeton I have back here, it's my own personal one. I have it set up for a pedal board application. So the preamp tubes in there are 12A-Y7, which runs a lot, instead of 100% overdrive, it's really cut about, I think it's like 65% is actually what it allows. So it's a very clean setup, mainly for the pedal board. So, but I bet you if you had a 12AX7 in there and you had this thing all the way up, it would really kind of, if you had to set up that amp dialed in, we're just going to push the, in the overdrive. This definitely would probably do it. So the middle pickup, we got, like I said, about the preamp, the mid-boost set about 7. That sounds pretty good. I notice there's more dynamics when I'm picking it out, so let's go to the bridge. I'm going to turn it all the way off and then turn it back up to where I'm at now. So. Turn it up, like I said, about 7. So that's about 8, almost 9. We'll roll the tone down a little bit. Roll it all the way up. So that would be the 5S system. So let's switch over to the 3.3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the preamp or the mid-boost all the way down. I'm going to leave the tone basically around that 6.5, 7 spot. Really find that to be the sweet spot right here. Then, if you're not familiar with the 3.3 system, definitely check out the 3.3 video. That on our YouTube page, as well as our MadHatGuitarProducts.com. Click on the video demo link and you'll find it there. Primarily the way it works is when you pull up on it, you transform your guitar into another guitar. In this case, and when you're in the position 1, these two pickups are now in series instead of parallel. For those of you who don't know what that means they're kind of acting like a humbucker. And then when you go to position 2, we're back in parallel like you would normally have. Position 3 would be these in series with the neck that's unparalleled with these in series. Position 2 would be the same as standard mode with these in parallel. And then position 3 would be these in series, so you get that big thick sound. So what's really nice about the 3.3 system is positions 1 and position 5, basically having these pickups in series together. So that's a standard single coil bridge pickup. Thicker, fuller, and that's what we want. combining that with the mid-boost circuit, you get an even really nice, thicker, fatter sound. So actually, this is I think this is the best system for the mid-boost circuit personally. So let's go back to the bridge. Let's roll in the mid-boost. So let's go to the position 5. So the middle and the neck in series with the mid boost all the way up. I'm going to put it back to the normal series. I'm going to push it down so you just have the neck by itself so you can hear the difference. Roll in the mid boost. Yeah, it really sounds good. Let's throw a little dirt on there. So that's the bridge pickup with the bridge and middle together in the 3/3 mode. I have the, let's turn it all the way down with the mid boost circuit out. Roll in the mid boost circuit. Once again, I got about 7 or 8. Yeah, nice, thick and full. Let's go to with these two in series. So I turned up the tone just a little bit. It sounds so good. Yeah, I love it. And anyways, you know what? I think this is a great system. Actually, I might even just put this system permanently in this guitar. It just sounds so good. I'm having so much fun with it. The new Terminator Mid-Boost and Terminator Mid-Boost 3/3 system, available now at MadAirGuitarProducts.com. Here, what your guitar is missing.